Some savor ground, so we better keep it tidy.
Move your nose. I will be right back.
You go out to eat without me?
I will be right back. Move your nose.
Listen, you can expect these kind of repercussions as long as you keep trying to
That boy knows when is the perfect opportunity to strike.
burn you.
Battling with a shorty, let your booty do the work for energy saving. He is falling asleep, literally. Even the smartest pups get tricked with the fetch wizardry. Why is there a strange dog smell on you?
Get a Great Dane, they said. It'll be fun, they said.